From the world of celebrities, popular Nigerian comedian and content creator Oluwadolarz is facing serious allegations of infidelity from his fiancée and baby mama, Ife Luv. In a shocking revelation, Ife Luv announced the end of their engagement, accusing him of cheating and deceit. Ife Luv disclosed on Instagram that she had previously broken up with Oluwadolarz due to his unfaithfulness, taking responsibility for their son, Nifemi. However, after 2 years apart, she forgave him, leading to their engagement in November 2024. But things took a dramatic turn when she visited his apartment and allegedly found another woman hiding in his bathroom. According to her, neighbors and close associates confirmed that the woman had been living with him after the engagement and had even undergone multiple abortions for him. Ife Luv, who recently had surgery, accused Oluwadolarz of showing no remorse for his actions. She claimed that she had remained a virgin throughout university out of love and trust for him, but his reckless behavior shattered her faith in their relationship. Following the allegations, a viral video surfaced showing Mama Oluwadolarz, the comedian's mother, pleading with Ife Luv to forgive her son. During a TikTok live session, she revealed that she had knelt several times to apologize on his behalf, despite it being considered taboo in Yoruba culture.
Àìmọye ìgbà tí mo ti bá ọlájà nítorí tiẹ̀, àìmọye ìgbà tí mo ti fi orúnkún mi méjèèjì tí mo ti fi kúnlẹ̀ fún ẹ tí ò dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ èèwọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá.
The situation has sparked massive reactions online. Many social media users criticized Oluwadolarz for his repeated infidelity, while others sympathized with Ife Luv. Some even commended his mother for taking responsibility and trying to mend things. Despite the backlash, Oluwadolarz has yet to respond to these allegations. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.